Hi there. Excuse me. I just wanted to check, is everything okay with your meal?
Uh, um, I'm not sure. I think there might be a small problem.
Oh? I see. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I didn't order cheese on my burger, but it looks like it has cheese on it.
Oh, you're right. I'm really sorry about that.
It's okay. I know mistakes happen. I just wanted to let you know before I started eating.
Thank you for telling me. You did the right thing. I completely understand.
Yeah, I usually don't eat cheese, so I wanted to ask first.
Of course, that makes sense. Would you like us to change it for you?
Um, yes, please. Could you change it, please?
Absolutely. No problem at all. I'll take this one back and bring you a new burger without cheese.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that.
You're very welcome. Again, I'm sorry about the mistake.
That's okay. I understand. Thank you for helping me.
Of course. It won't take very long.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Great. Please wait just a moment and I'll be right back with your new burger.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Would you like some tea?
Oh, yes, please. That would be very nice.
Of course. Would you like black tea or green tea?
I think I'll have black tea, please.
Black tea. Very good. Would you like something to eat as well? We have some cakes.
Oh, yes, please. They look really delicious.
They are very popular. This stand here has cakes and sandwiches.
Oh, I see. Everything looks nice. But I think I'll try a small cake.
A small cake. Good choice.
Thank you. That looks perfect.
Here you are. Enjoy your tea.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Please enjoy.
I will. Thank you again.
Hello. Hi there. Welcome. Can I help you today?
Hi. Yes, please. This is my first time here. What do you recommend?
Oh, sure. A lot of people really like our tacos. They're very popular.
Oh, tacos sound good. What kind of tacos do you have?
We have a few kinds. Let me see. We have chicken tacos, beef tacos, and vegetable tacos.
Okay, that's a nice choice. Which one do people order the most?
Probably the chicken tacos. A lot of people like those.
Yeah, chicken usually sounds safe. I think I'd like a chicken taco, please.
Great choice. Would you like it spicy?
No, not spicy, please.
No problem at all. We'll make it not spicy. That's totally fine.
Thank you. I like flavor, but not too much heat.
Yeah, I understand. Some people really like spicy food and some don't.
Yeah, I like to keep it simple.
That makes sense. Would you like anything to drink?
Oh, yes, please. What drinks do you have?
We have soda, water, and lemonade. Our lemonade is very refreshing.
Oh, lemonade sounds nice. Yes, I'll have a lemonade, please.
Great choice. So that's one chicken taco, not spicy, and one lemonade.
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. I'll put that in for you.
Okay,
All right, everything is set.
great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait just a moment and we'll bring your food out soon.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
Wonderful. I hope you enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Hi there. Welcome. What would you like today?
Hi. Let me see. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. No problem at all. Would you like your coffee hot or cold?
Hot, please. A hot coffee sounds really nice right now.
Okay. Hot coffee. Good choice. Would you like anything to eat with your coffee today?
Oh, maybe. Let me take a look.
Take your time. There's no rush at all.
Thanks. Everything looks good. Oh, that muffin looks nice.
This one here? That's a banana muffin.
Oh, banana. I like banana. Is it fresh?
Yes, it's fresh today. We baked it this morning.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. I think I'll take one.
Great! That's a popular choice. So that's 1 hot coffee and 1 banana muffin.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, let me get that ready for you.
Sure.
All right. Is that everything for today?
Yes, that's all for today. Thank you.
No problem. I'll make your coffee now.
Okay.
All right, almost ready.
It smells really good.
Yeah, fresh coffee always smells nice. Here we go.
Oh, nice.
Here you are, your hot coffee and your banana muffin.
Thank you. It looks really good.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
I will. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again. Welcome. Good to see you. How can I help you today?
Hello. I'd like some sushi, please.
Of course. That sounds good. Do you like salmon or tuna?
I like salmon. Salmon is my favorite.
Salmon. Very nice choice. Would you like rolls or nigiri?
Nigiri, please.
Okay. Nigiri with salmon. How many pieces would you like?
Let me think. 4 pieces, please.
4 pieces. That's a good amount. Would you like some soup too?
Oh. Yes, please. Miso soup, please.
Great. Salmon nigiri and miso soup.
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Please wait a moment. I'll prepare that for you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.